buy fireworks. We're just waiting for the lady.
Which ones?
Pink vintage.
Buy one, get one free. It's a lot. Yeah.
Do you know what that long stick is for?
Big box one here that shoots lots of stuff off.
21.
How many rockets?
Loads.
2 rockets. What's this? Oh, that's the tube. Putting the rockets in. What's this?
Yeah, that's a...
Oh, that's for lighting it. We do need to buy a lighter. It's quite a lot. For £20.
And whatever this is. And today is Bonfire night, and fireworks are very dangerous. You should handle it to an adult. And when a firework is lit, you should never go back to it.
So how come you're holding fireworks?
Because they're not lit.
Yet.
Yeah.
You don't like one?
No.
You don't? Why?
Very good with fire.
Right, then. Let's get that bonfire done.
Hi, I'm Firework. The bonfire night yesterday and at school today, and we made these pictures. But remember, fireworks are dangerous, and I drew these fireworks. Yeah. And when you throw the sparkler, remember to not get it off the floor, because sparklers can burn your hand and kill you. And if you've got a firework in your hand, don't hold it, because you have to give it to a grown-up, because grown-ups only can hold back. Because if you do hold it and not give it to a grown-up, then it will explode and will kill you. And this is my fire engine that we made at school, but not today. But I didn't decide to do a fireman. I decided to do a fire engine, and there's the yellow strip and the red. And I think I should have done the windows black, because there might be curtains. And these are the wheels, and that's the shining where the driving. Then that's it.
This is the shot cake.